Let's go, let's roll.
Hi everyone! So it's one of our first hikes and we have tips for you for beginners in hiking. So number one tip, you should always follow the organizer because they are called organizers because they organize your trip. So if they say you bring pack lunch, you bring pack lunch because it's already late and we haven't had lunch.
Number 2, you should bring a radio or a friend with AM and FM stories.
Number 3, bring a lot of Jelly A. Sabi nila ilagay nyo sa ref para malamig at masarap. But kidding aside, you should bring a lot of trail foods because you will need boosters along the way.
Number 4, you should bring photographer with beautiful camera.
And number 5, you should bring a vlogger.
Let's go, let's go.
Rule number 6, magbaon ng hugot.
Rule number 7, sabi ni Kuya, lumapit daw sa matibay, wag sa marupok.
Rule number 8, be like Superman or Batman. Wear your shorts outside your leggings.
Rule number 9, wear long sleeves or arm sleeves to protect you from the sun.
Rule number 10, never wear white shoes because sobrang madudumihan siya. Lalo na kung muulan, syempre maputik. Huwag niyo kong gayahin ah.
Kumapit sa matatag. Dapat hindi ka hahawak dun sa mga hindi stable na ugat or kahoy or stones.
Hindi reliable.
Para wag kang ma-fall. Yan. Kapit sa matatag.
Rule number 12, be ready to post anytime.
And always bring this trekking pole. If you don't have budget, use this instead. Just pick up on the ground.
Number 14, don't forget to bring your caps. If walang cap, pwede din to. Scarf.
Subscribe and follow.